Welcome to Hallstatt, Austria, a fairy tale village nestled in the heart of the Alps. Discover the serene beauty of Hallstatt Lake, surrounded by majestic mountains and picturesque landscapes. Explore the historic village center, where charming streets and traditional Austrian architecture create an enchanting atmosphere. Visit Hallstatt's iconic Lutheran church and the bustling market square, the heart of village life. Fly over the world's oldest salt mine and the Skywalk viewing platform, offering breathtaking panoramic views. Experience Hallstatt in its seasonal glory, whether blanketed in snow or adorned with vibrant autumn colors. As the sun sets over Hallstatt, the village transforms into a magical landscape of lights and reflections. Hallstatt, Austria, a place where dreams come true. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible travel videos.